Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. A warm hello from Team Queens. If you want to give a different look to your wardrobe, then do not miss today's collection. As the designs are totally unique, the fabric what we are using is the gradation of the fabric what we are using really high, and the varieties are really rare. Give a totally different look to your wardrobe. And before starting showing my collections, I'll just remind you one more time, please take care of your health and health of your family members. Come on, let's start with today's collection. This is what I'm going to show you. Comes in black color. The fabric is in georgette material, and you'll have a panel kind of embroidery running throughout the top, and you've got small very beautiful handwork buttas on either sides. And for this you'll have an exclusive ghagra with this. This is the top, and you'll have a ghagra, beautiful ghagra. The set, when you get the set stitch, it will look very unique and very different. And along with this ghagra you'll have a straight bottom also. We've got a plain bottom also in case you like, so you can multi-purpose use it. You can use it with a ghagra as well as a straight bottom, and we have got stitching facility available at our place, so we can get it stitched to your size and send it to your place. We have got worldwide shipping facility also. And this is the top, and we'll got in the same plain black color bottom with this, and got this ghagra with this, and this is a very beautiful netted chunni. The designs are totally unique and totally different, and rare collections all throughout them. So you'll have a beautiful dupatta, lightweight netted dupatta with four-side embroidered border, and small flowers scattered throughout the dupatta. And the sizes what we can get stitched in this might be around about L, XL and XXL. And the price for this one is 3780. The next piece comes in wine color, very beautiful. It comes, and the base of the piece is in satin material. You'll have very beautiful embroidery done on the neck, nice thread embroidery, and you'll have full sleeves in this. These are the full sleeves. If you want half, you can get the half sleeve stitched. If you want, we can get full sleeves also stitched. And you will have a very beautiful embroidery done on the daman also. So neck is beautifully done. Daman is also very beautifully done. And in this also you'll have a skirt. This is the lehenga. Beautiful embroidery done on the lehenga. Comes with all frills. You'll have embroidery in the front part as well as the back part. So embroidery runs fully through the lehenga. And if you do not want to wear it with lehenga, you can wear it with straight bottom also. If you have got a separate cloth for bottom, you can get your bottom stitch, and you will have a very different dupatta along with this. This dupatta also comes in netted variety with all four-side raw silk border, and border is also embroidered on one side. So very beautiful dupatta, very elegant collection, and the price for this one is also 3780. And now the next variety, again a very unique color, very different violet color. You'll have very beautiful neck embroidered on the neck, and nice kind of rose flower embroidered below the neck pattern also. And you'll have a very decent embroidery done on the daman, and you'll have equally good sleeves also. You can sleeves, if you want, you can get a full sleeve stitched, or you can get a half sleeve stitched. It depends on your choice. If you have got stitching facility, we'll get them stitched and send it to your place. And for this one also you have got a unique lehenga along with it. It comes in a shaded lighter shade on the above part, and little bit darker shade on the lower part, and beautiful dori embroidery done front as well as the back. So it gives a very rich and elegant look. And the varieties what I'm showing you today are very rare. You won't find these collections here and there. And if you want to look, and you can got a separate cloth for bottom in case if you want to wear, if you want to give a very simple look, you can wear it with a straight with a bottom. But if you want to give it a grand look, you can wear it with a ghagra. So it gives a multi-purpose look for your top, and you've got a very grand dupatta along with this. See the dupatta, beauty of the dupatta. Totally different, beautiful dupatta, full dupatta, netted dupatta with embroidery, dori work done throughout, and big embroidery patches done given on the dupatta also. So very unique variety. The collections what I'm showing are very unique. And if you want for the coming Eid festival, or if you want for marriage season, we can get it stitched and send it to your place. The varieties are totally unique, totally different. So next variety again comes in georgette variety. Very beautiful piece, elegant variety, different kind of work done on the neck. Really beautiful work done on the neck. Nice thread embroidery with small diamond work over it, and you'll have a nice daman also in this. Decent embroidery work done on the daman. And I'll show you the sleeves also. Sleeves are also very unique and very different. Here are the sleeves with this. See, again, if you want a full sleeves, you can get a full sleeves. If you want a half sleeves, you can go in for half sleeves. And these materials will be sufficient enough for XL and double XL, LXL and double XL sizes. And for this one also you'll have a very unique lehenga along with this shaded lehenga. So totally piece will look very unique when you wear it. Totally different kind of look. There's a lehenga with embroidery in the front. So dark blue with green combination. Very beautiful piece. The embroidery runs back also. So front and back it gives a very unique and very different look. And you'll have a separate bottom. Again, as if you want to give a simple look, you can wear it with a straight cut bottom or a chudidar bottom or a plazo. And if you want to give it a grand look, you can wear it with the lehenga, and this is a beautiful dupatta along with this. The shaded part which comes in the lehenga continues in the dupatta also. Nice silk material dupatta with very grand embroidery done on the sleeves, on the border of the dupatta. So very different variety. All the collections what I am showing you are very unique, very different, and the price range for this one is 3780 range only. Quality wise, variety wise, the item is totally different and totally unique. So do not miss the collections. Collections are very unique, very rare collections. Next variety again a very different bluish color. And in this you'll have a different kind of embroidery. Panel kind of embroidery running throughout the top, and small embroidery buttas given on either sides. And again you will have in full sleeves with this. It depends on your choice whether you want to get them full sleeve stitched or half sleeve stitched, totally your choice. And you'll have a nice work done on the daman also. Say nice border given on the daman also. Again you can wear this, you have a beautiful skirt along with this. Nice netted lehenga, it comes in contrast. See the contrast. Contrast itself is very beautiful. This bluish top and this greenish lehenga skirt looks very beautiful, and very nice kind of embroidery done on the skirt lehenga. This is the front part of the lehenga, and this is the back part. So embroidery running all throughout front and back. So varieties are totally unique. And this one also, in case you do not want to give if you want to wear a simpler look, you can again wear it with a salwar or straight pant or a chudi bottom. And this is the dupatta along with this. A very beautiful piece, very different elegant variety, totally exclusive designs, and netted dupatta with the raw silk border and embroidery over the border, and small buttas scattered throughout the dupatta. And range for this one is also again 3780. So unique varieties, all of them are. Next variety is again very different in navy blue. Base is georgette. So georgette base, nice neckline work given on the neckline, beautiful work done on the neckline, very neat decent embroidery, and small embroidery flowers scattered throughout the dress again. And again a very different border given at the daman. So, and different sleeves. If you want to get them full sleeves, you can get full sleeves. If you want half sleeves, you go in for half sleeves. It depends on your choice. For this one, you will have a different kind of sharara bottom with this. You do not have a skirt in this. You have got a sharara bottom which is already stitched. So unique sharara bottom, very different. If you want to look very different for the Eid, you can go in for this collections also. We can get them stitched to your size and send it to your place. This is the top, and this is the chunni along with this. So total color, this dress comes in single color, navy blue color combination, no other combination given in the dress. And this is the chunni, and the range for this one is also 3780. So totally unique varieties. This is one more pattern in similar cloth. See, one more variety, different variety altogether. The base of this one is satin, and the embroidery pattern is very different. The neck is beautifully done, and very beautiful work done on the armhole part also. And again you will have full sleeves or half sleeves, depends on your choice. See, these are the sleeves. It depends on your choice whether you go in for full sleeves or if you want to go to half sleeves, depends on your choice. So color is also very unique. The embroidery part is very well defined. The cloth base comes in satin material, and for this one also you have got this sharara bottom. This is also a single color item. It will not have any other combination in it. This is sharara bottom, and you will have this unique dupatta. Dupatta is also full georgette dupatta, and range for this one is also 3780 range. Very beautiful dupatta, full dupatta. Party wear, totally party wear stuff. Very different variety. Till now I have shown you in dark colors. I will be concentrating on light colors now. This again, this comes in very beautiful green color, light pista green color with red combination. The combination itself is very rare. See the embroidery done on the neck. It's very beautifully and neatly done. You can have a closer look, very neatly done embroidery. And on the side slits, you'll have this border with embroidery again. And you will have nice work done on the daman also. So beautiful concept. And in this one also, you'll have this skirt. This is the front part of the skirt, and this is the back part. So top and skirt is in red color, and dupatta again comes in red color. Beautiful dupatta with all over embroidery done in the dupatta. Dupatta comes in georgette material. Beautiful work done on the dupatta, and the color gradation is very high. And range for this one is 4240 only. And if you want, we can get this stitched and send it to courier to place. We have got worldwide shipping facilities available. And these varieties, what all you are seeing, will be available only for next couple of days, because stocks are really getting exhausted very fast. So book your piece as fast as possible. Now see the next, it again comes in light color. So you have gotten complete collection in light color as well as dark colors. So again, a beautiful embroidery, very beautiful neckline. 3-4 colors used in the embroidery for the neck. Again, you will have a very different border at the daman, very heavy border, neatly done. You can see the neatness of the embroidery. The embroidery is done very neatly. The base comes in silk material, and for this one you have gotten skirt again. So it looks very unique, very different. This is the front and back, and you can have a look at the skirt down, done in very different pattern. All beautiful wave kind of frills given, embroidery done also in wave kind of embroidery. So very uniquely done, and the range for this one is 3780 only. It gives a very unique and different look when you wear it. And the dupatta comes in navy blue color, which is in contrast. See, this dupatta comes in navy blue color, one side border, and you'll have got embroidered flowers over it. So piece is totally different, and range for this one is 3780. The next collection what I'm showing is again comes in light color. The base is in satin. You can see the neatness of the embroidery done, and the usage of the color combination. On this pista green, the pink color is used, so it gives a very unique, very decent and very different look. And the daman for this one is also very nicely embroidery done, is very nicely done, and daman also, so beautifully done. And you can have a beautiful skirt with this again, and the embroidery and part on the skirt is done also very different. It got a layered kind of stuff, so very beautifully done. You can just have a look. This is the front part, and once you get it stitched in where, it will give a totally unique look. And the collections are really rare. You won't find people wearing the same dresses what you're wearing. So like collections are really different and rare. This skirt, and if you want to give it a simple look, you can wear it this bottom. And this is a beautiful dupatta with this. See the beauty of the dupatta. It comes out very beautifully when you wear it. Light pista green color with this pink color given as highlight, so it looks very grand and rich, and 4-side border running, embroidery border running throughout the dupatta. So collections, I am telling you again and again, are very rare and unique. And see this piece, it's totally out of the world, very different piece, beautifully work done. The work, which is embroidery work, is done. You have got mirror work over it, hand work over it, and the neck part is also very beautifully done. You can just have a closer look. The body part, very beautiful. You have got zari thread, and neckline is also very well done. So piece is totally different, totally unique. And the work what you're seeing in the front continues, same work continues at the back also. And the very beautiful frill is given in the daman also. So totally exclusive variety, totally different, rare collection. The color is also very rare. Lot many people like these colors. For party wears, it looks rich and grand, and you'll have a dupatta along with this. You can use it as a gown also, in case if you want to use it. If you want to use it like a dress, you can use it with dupatta. So you can, very beautiful dupatta with 4-side zari border over it, and small bead work over the dupatta. So unique variety, unique collections. And don't miss the collections. Collections are really rare. The fabrics what we are using here are very high gradation. Lining is also very high gradation. And the cost for this one is 5760 only. Totally unique models, rare collections. And this is one very different variety. This comes in Kali kind of dress actually. Totally big flare dress. And specialty for this dress is you can design this dress as per your choice. This is very simple neck given, and these are the embroidery buttas given. You can use the buttas as per your choice. So you can design the dress as per your choice. It depends what kind of embroidery pattern you want to get it done. So you can use your imagination and get it stitched as per your choice. For the bottom, it comes in the green color matching with the border, and you'll have very beautiful dupatta along with this with foil print and red color border on the dupatta. See the totally unique combination, unique variety, unique dress. You can design as per your choice. As this embroidery patterns are not attached, you can get them attached as per your choice. So totally different variety, and the price for this one is 3140 range only. And the next variety what I'm showing is very different again. You have this beautiful anarkali top with this and shaded variety. On the upper part you have got this light color. As soon as it goes down, the color gets darker, and you can have a look at the embroidery at the work done on the daman. Very beautiful embroidery and multicolor thread used on navy blue color base, and you can see the flowers, and very beautiful done with this dory coat dory embroidery, and the embroidery runs front as well as the back also. So it gives a very unique and very different look. And for the neck also you can have a look. Nice decent embroidery done on the neck. And for this you have gotten beautiful jute silk skirt with this. Jute silk skirt. So totally unique variety, and you'll have very beautiful dupatta. And this is the dupatta along with this. And the price for this one is 3390. Unique variety, excellent different combination, different designs. All of them what I'm showing you today. The next piece what I'm showing is really exclusive piece. It comes in light English green color. You can see the beautiful embroidery done over the top. It comes in a Kali pattern, beautiful Kali type, and very beautiful embroidery done. And you can see very different kind of embroidery done in the daman also. Very nice embroidery done in the daman, and nice border given in the flare also. And you will have very unique sleeves with this. I'll just show you the sleeves also. Sleeves are also very unique. You have got this full sleeves in them. You can, if you want, you can go in for full sleeves. If you're going for half sleeves, see these are the sleeves. So the sleeves are also very well done. Same kind of embroidery which is in the top is running on the sleeves, and same kind of embroidery which is running in the daman will come on the sleeves also over here. So piece is totally unique, and this work which is in the front is there on the back also, and the gradation of the cloth is very high. You can see the work, similar kind of work in front and back. The gradation of the cloth is very high, and this is the bottom with this. This is the lining, internal lining with this, and you'll have a very different bottom also. You got this bottom, and bottom also you can have the similar kind of work on the bottom also. Nowadays you have got this trend for straight pant bottoms. For the straight pant bottom you can give an patch of this material on the bottom, so it looks very different. The varieties are very rare. You won't find these varieties here and there, and the gradation is also very high. The pieces are really unique and different, and the price for this one is 6550 only. Totally unique, different variety, uncommon combinations, rare collections. You can really give it a very different look for your wardrobe. Next variety what I'm showing is also very different, a very beautiful green color. Again a shaded variety. Top you'll have in light green. As we are going down, the green it gets darker. In nice embroidery buttas given in the daman and the flare, and nice embroidery work done on the flare also. And unique variety done on the neckline. This comes on the side parts of the dress, and you'll have this dark blue bottom which matches with the daman color of the dress, and dupatta comes in contrast. And the range for this one is 2520 only. Pure chiffon dupatta with raw silk border and small diamond work done on the. So very different piece, very unique variety. So the next variety is very beautiful. It comes in peach color got 3 shades in this. I'll show you all the 3 shades. And the color of embroidery used in this is only cream and golden color, which gives a very rich look. And you will have very nice neck pattern and small embroidery buttas done on either sides. And back also you'll have a different butta, embroidery butta done on the back, and got this pattern. If you want a collar neck, you can use this, otherwise you can use it a round neck also. And you got this lining in the bottom, so you need not purchase the lining again. And with peach you'll have this beautiful dupatta, red color dupatta, so it looks very rich and grand. The combination is very unique, and the range for this one is 3290 only. And we have got stitching facility. See the combination wise variety, it looks very different. The next piece what I am showing is really pure party wear kind of stuff. You have this raw silk top over it, and you can see the beautiful embroidery done all throughout in panel pattern. You can see beautiful embroidery handwork done on the panel pattern. You have got the sequence work, you have got dori work, you have the kundan work, and inside you will have this is the dress inside. You will have complete dress inside, and while you walk, this dress will be visible. And the work for this one is done on front and back also. So if you want, you can wear this as a dress, because we have got separate sleeves for this one also. And if you want, you can wear it the whole dress like a coat type, so it will look very unique and different. And these are the sleeves for this one. So sleeves are also very well done, very well different kind of embroidery done on the sleeves also. And as far as the bottom goes, this is the bottom. Again you can get a statement bottom stitch. It looks very unique and very different. Nice work done on the bottom also. And this is the dupatta along with this. So beautiful dupatta, totally netted dupatta with 4-side border over it, raw silk border and zari border also, and small kundan work done throughout the dupatta. So totally party wear kind of variety, exclusive, different. You won't find this variety here and there. If you want to look totally different from the lot, you definitely go for this piece. And the price range for this one is 6710 only. So beautiful concepts. This variety what I am showing you out again right now comes in again pastel colors. You're going to very nice embroidery pattern done on the neckline is very beautifully defined, and nice kundan work over it with kodori embroidery and kundan work. And you have got this beautiful sleeves along with this. See, you can have a look at the sleeves. You can go for full sleeves or half sleeves, whichever you like, and multicolor thread done on the sleeves. And this is the lining in the bottom, and you will have a very beautiful dupatta along with this. Totally netted dupatta with fine embroidery done over it, and the embroidery matches to the color which is done on the sleeves, so it will complement each other. So very beautiful piece, and range for this one is 3310 only. So top, bottom and lining everything is given. Need not buy full separate one. And I've got more 2 colors in this. I'll just show you the colors also. Very different grayish color actually, onion pink and grey combination, unique color, very rare color. And this is the pink color. So all the 3 colors are really good, really different, and the pattern is totally unique and different. So don't miss the collections. Again I'm telling you, collections are superb and unique collections. Now this is one more unique collection what I'm showing you right now. First of all, then you can see the embroidery pattern done on the neck, very different from the normal kind of embroidery what we see in the dresses. Very nice embroidery done on the neck, and you got this. If you want, you can go for a round neck, or you can go for a collar neck if you like. And embroidery pattern is again different. And we have got this kali type of embroidery done all throughout the top, and the work is done on the back also. And you got a very beautiful daman with this. You can have a look at the embroidery in the flare. Nice sequence work given in the flare, and very beautiful embroidery which runs in golden color throughout the flare. This is the front part, and you got this back part also. So front and back part are equally beautifully done. And this is the bottom in this. And to get the contrast out of the dress, we get an yellow chunni with this. So blue and yellow combination itself looks very rich and grand. So this is the combination. So this is the whole look of the piece. It looks very unique and very different, and the price for this one is 4970 range only. So combination wise, variety wise, fabric wise, all varieties what I have shown you today are really different. This is one more beautiful variety what I am showing you right now. It comes in, the top comes in net, and inside you have got this raw silk bottom and lining, and very beautiful work done on the top with the nice silver color embroidery, and you will have a nice embroidery lace running throughout the center, and similar kind of lace given the side slits also. And you got 3/4 sleeves in this. Here, these are the sleeves. It's your choice whether you want to go in for a full sleeves or half sleeves. It's your choice. So the sleeves are also very uniquely done, and you will have got the same netted dupatta along with this. This is a netted dupatta with silver border, and the range for this one is 5760 only. So unique variety, different designs. The patterns are really different, really different what I'm showing you. And if you like the collections, like our video, share our video, subscribe our channel, and I'll be meeting you soon with new collections. Thank you very much.